Hey, welcome back to our recordings, and today we're drawing Tiger crewmate. Yep, that's Tiger as an Among Us fusion. So let's get straight into the video. So first we'll start by sketching the character with a pencil. Quick and easy. Just make it rough and quick. Because we're eventually going to correct this and make the best as possible. Yeah, we have got the character. The real Among Us guy. Now we have to change it into a tiger. So now we go over and draw this a couple of times. Now we go over and draw the tail. And like that. Now let's darken this out by using the markers. So here we go. Like this. Now draw here. So saying that here. For no word, draw this. this. Now let's end this tutorial by erasing off those pencil marks that we drew at the beginning of this drawing. Watch it till the end if you want to see the coloring. And that's pretty much it. There is the tiger crewmate. I wish you just watch it. If you like the content, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, please hit the like button too, and give your suggestions in the comment section. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.